at the restaurant.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. How can I help you today?
Good evening. I would like to order a pizza, please.
Of course. We have several types of pizza. Do you have a specific one in mind?
Yes, I would like a margarita pizza.
Excellent choice. Would you like any extra toppings on your margarita pizza?
Yes, please. Can I have extra cheese and mushrooms?
Sure, extra cheese and mushrooms. Would you like a small, medium, or large pizza?
I'll take a large pizza.
Great. Anything else for you?
Yes, I'd also like a glass of water, please.
No problem. So that's one large margarita pizza with extra cheese and mushrooms and a glass of water. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Hello, who is this?
Hi, Emma. It's Sarah.
Oh, hi, Sarah. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. What are you up to?
Just finished my homework. What about you?
Just doing some shopping right now.
That sounds fun. Are you buying anything special?
Just some groceries and a new dress. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I was thinking about relaxing at home. Do you have any plans?
I was thinking about going to the park. Do you want to join me?
That sounds great. I'd love to. What time should we go?
How about 10 a.m. on Saturday?
Perfect. See you then.
See you? Have a great day, Sarah.
You too, Emma. Bye.
Bye.
Job interview.
Good morning, Mr. Jansen.
Good morning. You must be Christy Anderson, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
So, Christy, let's start with you telling me a bit about yourself and your background.
Sure. My name is Christy Anderson. I recently graduated from Oxford University with a degree in marketing. During my time at university, I completed an internship at Sun Company where I assisted in various marketing campaigns and learned a lot about digital marketing and social media management.
That sounds impressive. What made you interested in a career in marketing?
I've always been fascinated by how businesses can create strong connections with their customers. Marketing combines creativity with strategy, and I enjoy the challenge of coming up with innovative ideas to promote products and services. My internship experience solidified my passion for this field.
That's great to hear. Can you tell me more about the projects you worked on during your internship at Sun Company?
Absolutely. One of the main projects I worked on was a social media campaign for a new product launch. I was responsible for creating content, scheduling posts, and analyzing engagement metrics. The campaign was quite successful, increasing our social media following by 20% and driving significant traffic to the company's website.
Impressive. It sounds like you gained a lot of hands-on experience. How do you handle tight deadlines and pressure?
I believe I'm quite good at managing my time and staying organized. During my internship, we often had multiple projects with tight deadlines. I learned to prioritize tasks, communicate effectively with my team, and stay focused on the end goals. I also find that maintaining a positive attitude helps me stay calm and productive under pressure.
That's a valuable skill to have. How do you stay current with the latest trends in marketing?
I regularly read industry blogs and follow key influencers on social media. I also attend webinars and workshops whenever I can. Additionally, I completed a few online courses to enhance my knowledge in areas like SEO and content marketing.
It's great that you are proactive about your professional development. What are your career goals in the next 5 years?
In the next 5 years, I hope to advance to a managerial position where I can lead my own marketing team. I want to continue learning and growing, taking on more responsibilities and working on bigger projects. Ultimately, I aim to make a significant impact on the company's growth and success.
Those are admirable goals. Do you have any questions for me about the company or the position?
Yes, I do. Can you tell me more about the team I would be working with and the main goals for the marketing department this year?
Certainly. You would be joining a dynamic team of 8 marketing professionals. Our main goals for this year are to increase our online presence and boost our engagement with our target audience through innovative campaigns. We're also focusing on expanding our market reach and improving our brand recognition.
That sounds exciting. I would love to be part of such a forward-thinking team. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome, Christy. It was a pleasure meeting you today. We will be in touch soon regarding the next steps.
Thank you for your time, Mr. Jansen. Have a great day.
You too, Christy. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
At the airport.
Hi, I'm here to check in for my flight to Paris.
Hello? May I have your name, please?
My name is Mark Braden.
Let me check your booking. Do you have your ID and passport?
Yes, here they are.
Great. I'll print your boarding pass now. Do you need help with your luggage?
Yes. Can you weigh this bag for me?
Sure, let me check it. The weight is fine, no issues.
Perfect. Can you tell me which gate I need to go to?
Your flight will depart from Gate 8. Boarding will start in 45 minutes. Please keep an eye on the screens for any updates.
Thanks a lot. Is there anything else I need to know?
Just keep your boarding pass and passport handy. If you need any more help, we're here for you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. Have a great flight.